In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change icons in Microsoft Planner. Let's start by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. If Planner opens to the home screen, click My Plans in the left navigation to find your plans. Now click the plan you want to work with. In this example, the plan is named Icon Demo Launch, so go ahead and open yours on your end. If the plan opens in a different view, click Board near the top to switch over. We'll begin by changing the plan icon inside the plan name. Click More Options, which is the three-dot menu in the plan header near the plan name. From the menu that appears, click Rename. Now select the whole plan name in the name field so it's highlighted. Carefully type the updated plan name, adding the star emoji at the front, followed by Icon Demo Launch. Take your time as you type it in so the icon and the text appear exactly the way you want. Once that's done, click a blank area of the plan header to save the updated name. Confirm that the plan title now starts with the star icon. Next, let's change a task icon. Click the task card in the first bucket. In this example, the task is named Draft Launch Checklist. When the task details card opens, click the task title field at the top. Select the whole task title so it's highlighted. Now type the updated task name, placing the checkmark emoji at the front, followed by Draft Launch Checklist. Enter it slowly and make sure the checkmark sits right before the words. After typing, click a blank area inside the task details card to save the updated name. Confirm that the task title now starts with the checkmark icon. Now let's close the task and confirm both icon changes. Click the X in the top right corner of the task details card. Look at the plan title in the top header and confirm it starts with the star. Then look at the task card in the first bucket and confirm it starts with the checkmark. Your Planner plan and task now use new emoji-style visual icons in their names. The plan should be easier to spot in Planner, and the task card should stand out visually on the board. And that's it. Congratulations! You successfully changed your icons in Microsoft Planner.